This is a pre-recorded lesson for my students, especially for those who are having the modular learning type of delivery. This is for you, so you better download this video while your connection to the internet is stable enough for you to do so. Good day, this is Teacher F and welcome to my virtual science class. In this video, we are going to talk about uniform and non-uniform mixtures. Now if you're ready, let's begin. Imagine a glass of water in front of you. How would you describe it? The words cold, clear, tasteless, and odorless might have crossed your mind. If so, then you have described water based on its characteristics. Water is an example of a pure substance. It is comprised of specific properties and characteristics that make it water. Now imagine mixing a spoonful of salt into that glass of water. Would it still be the same substance that you have described a while ago? The material inside the glass is now a combination of water and salt. This is a combination of two substances, and it is called mixture. The world is filled with countless mixtures, from the food that you eat, to cleaning materials, your school items, and even things found inside your body. You can come up with a wide variety of mixtures based on the different combinations that you can make out of solids, liquids, and gases. The salad, for example, is a mixture of leafy greens, tomatoes, and dressing. The air that you breathe is made up of different gases, such as oxygen and nitrogen. The iced tea that you drink is a combination of water, sugar, powdered tea, and ice. Mixtures can be described based on the properties of the substances combined in it. Properties or characteristics that make them different from other substances or mixtures. Examples of properties are odor, color, and texture. Just like in the previous example, you describe water as cold, clear, tasteless, and odorless. Try to describe the salad on the given picture based on its properties. You would have probably described it as green, red, leafy, and as a pleasant smell. Mixtures can also be described through their boiling, freezing, and melting points. The properties of a mixture reflect the properties of its individual substances. However, this does not mean that the properties of the mixture formed are identical to only one of its substances. For example, water, when mixed with orange powdered juice, changes its color property from being colorless to orange color. In the same way, the boiling and melting point of water changes when it becomes a saltwater mixture depending on the amount of salt added to the water. Mixtures can be classified as a uniform mixture or a non-uniform mixture. Uniform mixtures are called homogeneous mixture. The prefix homo is a Greek term which translates the same. Homogeneous mixtures appear to have the same or uniform composition all throughout. It would seem that there is only one phase that is observable among homogeneous mixtures. If you look into the molecules of homogeneous mixtures, you would actually see that the molecules are uniformly spread out. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are salt water, vinegar, air, and brass. Non-uniform mixtures are also referred to as heterogeneous mixtures. This kind of mixtures does not appear to be the same all throughout. It is a non-uniform composition, and you can actually identify at least two substances that remain separated from each other, despite being part of a mixture. Notice that as compared to homogeneous mixtures, the composition of the molecules varies from one region to another. A heterogeneous mixture can be further classified as a colloid or suspension. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are soup, a bowl of cereals, and spaghetti with meatballs. And that ends our lesson for this episode. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to type them in the comment section below and I'll be answering those as soon as I can. And please answer our short quiz for this episode. Just click the link on the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon for notifications. Once again, I'm Teacher F, and I hope that you had a great virtual learning experience.